Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the profile icon, then select the Amazfit GTS 3 from the list of devices. And on this page, you should see the option called Notifications and Reminders. Tap on it. And here we have different types of notifications and reminders. First, let's tap on Incoming Call. And here we can enable the notifications for the calls. So for example, if somebody is calling you on your phone, your watch will notify you about it by vibrating and displaying the contact info. If you want to enable this type of notifications, first you will need to allow the required permissions. And to do it, you should see the yellow message or orange message right here at the top. This indicates that you have permissions that you need to allow for the notifications to work, and you need to tap on this message. This will bring up the pop-up. You need to tap on allow and keep doing this until you see or don't see the yellow messages anymore on the screen. So as you can see, the message is gone. Now we can enable the incoming call alerts by tapping on the switch and then tap on got it. And as you can see, more yellow messages appeared because we enabled the alerts, and now we need to allow the permission for the phone, contacts and stuff like that. So we need to tap on here, tap on allow, tap here, tap on allow, tap here, tap on allow, and tap here, tap on go to settings. On this list we need to find the Zep application, tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and then we can go back to the app. And once you're done with the permissions, the messages should be gone. And now we can customize the incoming call alert. And we can enable or disable the option to show the contact information on the watch when somebody is calling you. You can also enable and disable the option to reply SMS. And if you enable it, you can tap on Manage SMS Replies. And here you can do a couple of things. You can edit the existing ones by tapping on an edit button and tapping on one you want to remove. You can also you can basically remove them. You can move them up and down on the list. So for example, you want thank you to be first, you need to press and hold on the sorting button right here, and you can drag it to the top of the list like that, and then you can tap down. So that's how you can, or what you can do in the edit mode. You can remove them or move them up and down on the list. You can also add custom replies by tapping on add button right here. And then you can type in something and then tap save. And here we have our custom reply. Okay, so besides the replies, we have also delay alerts. This option basically allows you to delay the alert on your watch. So if somebody calls you on your phone and you enable this option, the alert on your watch will be delayed, and you can set the delay from 1 to 30 seconds basically. So you can set it to, for example, 25 seconds. And now if somebody calls me on my phone, I will get the notification on my watch after 25 seconds. Okay, so that's about the calls. Now, next option, we have the app alerts. You can tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have the option, or rather, we have the pop-up that we need to enable the notification access. So let's tap on this yellow message, tap on OK. It will redirect us to the notification access page. Here we need to tap on Zep application, tap on the switch, tap on allow, and now we can go back. And once you go back, you should see this page. And now we can enable or disable the notifications for the applications on your phone by tapping on the switch. And also you can enable or disable the option to notify you only when the mobile phone screen is turned off. This option, basically how it works is, if you enable it, and your screen on your phone is turned on, you won't receive the notifications on your watch. Only with the screen turned off. So basically, if the screen is turned off on your phone, you receive the notification, you will receive it on your watch. And if you disable this option, you will receive them every time or each time if the screen is turned off or turned on. And below, you should see the list of applications. And you can customize from which applications you should receive the notifications on your watch. And you can enable the notifications or disable them by tapping on the switches next to the applications, like that. Okay, we can go back. And last type of notifications we can enable is incoming SMS. This is the notifications for the messages on your phone. And you can tap on incoming SMS, tap on the switch to enable it, like this. And once you're done with the customization settings or with customizing the settings for your notifications, you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got the message on our phone and also on our watch. It was there, but I pressed the button twice by mistake. So if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can swipe right on the home screen, I believe, right? No, up on the home screen to open the notification menu. As you can see, here we have it. We can delete all of the notifications by tapping on this pen icon, or we can tap on them to read them. We can reply here. We can use the emoji, or we can simply tap on delete to remove it. Like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.